Okay, so today we'll unbox this beautiful Solognac Axis 85. We have another video with the 75. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a little box. It's like my palm. We will use this stiletto to unbox it. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay. It's not easy to unbox something like this. As you can see, it's well fixed inside with plastical ropes. So this is it. Okay, let's remove this plastic once. Okay, one is done. Let's take the other. I bought it from Decathlon. So this is plastic, but a very qualitative one. Is very nice. I can't see the difference. Maybe I will do another video with both knife. I don't have the other one here, so let's see how it. Wow, it's not moving here. It's very solid. Let's see how it cuts. Pretty sharp. It cuts hair for sure. It's razor sharp. So this is it. It's very beautiful. I like it. Made in China. 5CR15. The steel. Solognac. It's very cool. It has this mechanism here to unlock it. So you just push it like this. It's flexible, as you can see here. It's made to be flexible. And when you open it, you can just release it like this, launch the blade with a slight movement So I just push this thing and it's launched. Let's take a look in detail. So the blade has a very clean design. As you can see, it's very, here you can see how it is sharpened. Do you see the angle here? Also here. So this blade should cut very well. A rope or meat, if you want to cook something in the wild. We can try to chop some wood with it. Let me find something. We have here some hardwood. Let's see. Whoa. It cuts really well, as you can see. No problem for this beauty to cut into hardwood. So let's have a look at it to enjoy it once more. This is it, guys. So the blade is really sharp. Okay guys, please subscribe if you like the video. I will try to add more videos with much more beautiful knives or interesting ones. Please subscribe. Less than 1% of you are subscribing to our little channel. We do our best. This is the first video with for a knife with the GoPro. I can't wait to see how it is, if it's better than the ones made with the phone. So I recommend you this knife. It's not very expensive. It's around 12 euros. I bought it from Decathlon in Romania, and it's pretty reliable. I have another one for about 4 years, but it's a 75 one. This one is 85, so I think it's a little bigger than the other one. Maybe I'll do a video to compare both of them and to put them one next to the other and see if there is any difference. Now I can't tell is any difference. It looks the same like the other one, but could be bigger. I don't know. We will see. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video and if you would like to see other videos made by us. Thank you guys. I appreciate all your support and see you soon. Bye bye.